Hey moms, today I'm going to show you how to make a diaper caddy using the things that you already have in your home to save you some money. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. Alright, welcome back to another tips and tricks for motherhood lifestyle. Like I said, I'm going to show you how I make my diaper caddy with the things I already have at home. So let's start with the things you need. And there you have it. It's pretty quick and simple, right? I hope that this video helped you moms, and yeah, please give it a thumbs up if you did. Please let me know what is the most expensive thing you bought for your baby that you never used in this video. I would like to know. That's pretty much today's video. Please subscribe. I know a lot of you watch my video but don't subscribe. I am planning on posting 2 videos a week in this channel, one in English and one in Malagasy every single week. So if you like motherhood tips and tricks like this, or any product reviews that I do, please consider subscribing. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Hey moms, today I'm gonna going to show you how to make a diaper caddy using diaper caddy. Diaper caddy. Hey moms. Alright, so welcome to another saving tips on motherhood and yeah, motherhood life. Alright, so welcome back to another saving tips and tricks oh my god. Alright, so welcome back to another saving tips and tricks for motherhood lifestyle. Today we're going to